Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This video will explain you about Shopify collection minimum quantity rule tutorial. So watch this video completely without skipping. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I am using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on configure button from the collection limit. So first you have to name some rule, like minimum quantity for collection. So it could be anything, but should be meaningful one so that you can easily identify from the list of rules. Make sure that the rule is enabled and then land on the collection tab and click on collection minimum quantity. Here you have to give a minimum quantity from the collection to be purchased. Let's say like 3, so that if I am choosing any collection, let's say like I am choosing summer collection, then I have 3 products from the summer collection and user has to purchase at least 3 in order to complete the checkout. In case of error messages, either you can go for a customized one, so just enable this and add the customized one in this text field. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled. And if you have multiple limit quantity rules, then click on add minimum quantity from here and then give the rule descriptions over here. Otherwise, just remove this. I'm just planning to go for the by default message, so I am just disabling the customize message button. And if you need to show this error message to be showing up in the cart itself, then you can just enable this, otherwise keep it disabled. So after adding all the details, let's save it. Now all the setup has done. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. So these 2 products are from my summer collection and this is from out of the summer collection group. So our condition is user has to purchase at least 3 from the summer collection. So let's try to check out this. So it shows that we have only 2 products added from the collection and it needs at least 3 in order to proceed with the checkout. So let's try to add some other products which is from the summer collection itself. So this is one of the product which we have in the summer collection. So I'm trying to add this to the cart. Now trying to check out. Now you can see we have added at least 3 products from the summer collection, so that our error message has gone. So that's how you can set up collection minimum quantity limit in your Shopify store like this. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.